What's up, everybody? It's that time. I gotta wash my car. I think it's a little bit dirty. Let's check it out. There you see it. Slush, sleet, mud, salt, dirt. It's that time because I want to sell it because it's dirty. No, I don't want to sell it because it's dirty. I'm just going to run it through the car wash for the nice cleaning, make it look good again. And I think I might just bring everybody along with me inside the cab as we go through the car wash. Just one of the fun things I might do. So stick around. Let's enjoy the car wash. Okay, so let's get ready and head to the car wash. So I want to talk about some of the things that's coming up on the channel. I'm going to be trying to do a better job with the editing. I'm new to this. It's a learning curve, but I am trying. I'm trying to buy the equipment needed to put out good videos. And the reason why I'm doing it is because most of the stuff I learned it from YouTube. And if somebody can learn something from what I did and fix something on their own, well, then that's all for the benefit of it. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not a licensed mechanic on anything. I'm just doing my own thing. Don't do as I do, as they say, but you never know. You could pick something up from the things that I'd be at. But yeah, I want to do some, work on ATVs, snowmobiles, things like that, and and going out around in the snow, plowing, taking you on rides, doing some messing around on the machines, just having fun in general. So I'm about to pull up to the car wash. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people, but we're gonna go in anyway. Okay, we're actually expecting a snowstorm this afternoon, so okay. Swipe credit card. Please select wash. I just want a regular. As I said, we have a snowstorm coming. I just want to get it clean, get the salt off. Here's our receipt. Pro Auto Wash. Lay that there. Let's drive up. There's a few people here. There's a few people here waiting for this car wash, as you can see. Okay, so I'll check back with everybody in a bit, just as we're about to go inside. Stick around. Just look at that in the background. Okay, so that concludes my video of the car wash. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's nice and clean. That was a long wait at the car wash. There was a lot of people getting cars clean today. But it did a half-decent job. Still some dirt around it, but it's not bad. Cleaner than what it was. It was really dirty. Check that out. That's cool, eh? This is what happened on my drive home. I got caught in the snow. So just a little drive through. Snow is coming down crazy. I'm trying to see. And this is my whole trip back home, which was 45 minutes of driving in this. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. And I'll see you next time on Southside Garage.